Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about Axie Infinity today. I'm trying to give you all the top reason why we are going to forecast that the cryptocurrency is going to go down. Yeah, in the long term, at least. We're going to expect the price in Axie Infinity to continue on its downward move. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion, simply by looking at the price chart. That is it. The price chart is literally the ballpark to where everyone who is interested in this cryptocurrency, they come in and show their hand. So all we have to do is come in and try to dissect what these price bars and volume bars mean to get ideas to where the overall market is trying to go. If y'all appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Now let's get started. I did a video for Axie Infinity on February the 5th. You guys can look at the chart right now. I didn't have any ideas to where price was going to go. And when I don't have any ideas, guess what? I don't put on a price prediction. I wait until I get a little bit more information as to what the market is really trying to say. Now is that time. I'm going to show you all, especially in the long term, why I'm looking for the price in Axie Infinity to continue to drop. Now, you guys can see it right now in the daily time frame. The market in Axie Infinity is actually creating a very firm foundation of support. Let me draw it for you all. I wanted to show it to you. This market in Axie Infinity is creating a support area. Now, let's put this into consideration, okay? Yes, I am looking for the price in Axie Infinity to go down in the long term. I'm gonna speak on that more as we go throughout this video. But right now, we can understand that the buyers are definitely approaching the market in Axie around $45. They're there. We can tell basically by how the price is not following below this horizontal line, right? We can see that. We get it. We understand that this area literally is rejecting the sellers. They're not trying to let this price fall in Axie Infinity. It's kind of look like the market is waiting for something to happen before it actually falls. Because once I show you this long-term time frame, you all will begin to see here that there's still some weakness here on the chart. Let me show it to you now. All right. So I'm going to zoom this price chart all the way out to 5 weeks. Okay, we're going to look at this 5-weekly price chart for Axie Infinity, and I'm going to show you why I'm going to continue to play the weakness, at least in that time perspective. You see this? This last completed 5-weekly price bar is what is letting us know that the market in Axie Infinity is weak, and that the continuation of movement to the downside is still there, and it's still apparent. Yeah, the weekly time frame is where I'm seeing the weakness. That's the top reason as to why we're going to expect Axie Infinity to continue to fall. Now, I get it. We still got a month and 2 days left before this current 5-weekly price bar concludes. So yeah, we can see the price go up. Just like I've shown you on the daily time frame, the buyers are controlling the market in Axie Infinity around $45. They got the stronghold right now. Yeah, that's right now. So at what point will we say that they have complete dominance? At what point will we say the buyers are definitely here in the market and they're not going to let price fall below $45? Do you see that level? Because I'll show it to you, to where I'll change my idea as to where I think the price in Axie Infinity is going to fall to, yeah, we can actually see the price go up. Okay, I'll show it to you. And it's right here around that $60 level. Okay, it's right there around $62.25. I won't become bullish into the market in Axie Infinity until I see the price break above that line, $62.25. So as a matter of fact, we can go ahead and already drop down the price prediction in the market in Axie Infinity, and we can go ahead and place that there. Okay, 62.50 or 62.25. So we are already in position to see the market in Axie Infinity continue to fall. Now, from out the gate, right, you had to give me some credit. You got to give me some leeway. You got to give me a cushion because, like I've told you already, yes, from out the gate, the price could go up in Axie Infinity. But this price prediction is not for the short term. This is for the long term. This is for the 5-week time frame at best. So I want you all to remember that as we continue to see this market trade in Axie Infinity. All right. So this is the 2-day time frame here into the market in Axie Infinity. And yes, you guys can tell that we are actually seeing some strength here into the market in Axie Infinity. But what we need to do now, if I'm looking for the price in Axie Infinity to go down, we need to figure out how low. Okay, and our attention is going to be focusing on this area right here. Okay, that's our first area that we can still see buyers come into the market. This is the second area. All right, got it? All right, cool. So let's go ahead and do this real quick, because the next logical area for us to see the market Axie Infinity come back down and hold support is right here where the low came in on February 24th. Okay, right here. That is where we need to see the buyers come in once again. Even if we were to break $45, there's a closer area right here that they can still come in and grab the price. And the low that day came in at $41.90, so around 42. Okay, that's the first area. Now, when you look at this on the 5-weekly time frame, that area doesn't look like it's going to hold. It doesn't look like it's going to hold at $41.90. So the next area is going to be around like $37.75. $37.75 is going to be the location. So let's hit this back over to the daily time frame, because we said the second area is going to be $37.75. That will give us around 22, almost 22.5%. Right? That's the second area. So I think we got it. Let me show you the weekly time frame first before I let you all go, because I still want to reflect and show you all that the longer time frame is where we're seeing the weakness. Right? We're still seeing the weakness right here into the market in Axie Infinity. Now, I get it. I might get this wrong. I already understand. That's why I won't be emotional when I see the market price in Axie Infinity continue to trend higher, because I already can tell that the buyers are coming to the market right now. But I'm looking at the overall weakness that's come into the market in Axie Infinity since November 2021. And this small spat that the market has been trading in range right here, it's not enough to allow all of this pressure to subside. That's why I'm going to continue to look for the market in Axie Infinity to drop. This is the 2-week time frame. This is where the weakness is. We've seen the last 2 consecutive 2-weekly price bars, the market closed on the low of the bar. There's weakness here. So even though many people may be getting fooled now because Axie Infinity is up almost 4% today, and the market buyers are definitely holding support over the last 4 consecutive 2-weekly price bars, there's still sellers going on. Okay, so this is it. Let me switch this back over to the daily. I did tell you all that we can still see the market buyers come in around $41.90. That's our first area of TP. Okay, so that gives us around 13.9%, almost 14%. The second area is going to be around $37.75, which gives us around 22%, or 22.25. So now I'm gonna switch this back all the way over, bring this in closer, and we're gonna follow the market. Okay, if anything changes, we already know what to expect. If market continues to trade this particular way, we already know that our outlook of us looking for price and Axie to fall is becoming less and less likely. All right, so this is it right now, and that was the kick back, sit back, and let the market work for us, and we'll come back in later and see what price has done against our idea. Now it's your turn. Real quick, let me know, what do you all suspect the price at Axie Infinity is going to do as we go into the month of April? Real quick, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.